Hello students, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Hassan, and I am Hassan Anwar again at your service with a new video. So let's start. Students, it is clear from the thumbnail of the video that today we are going to answer the last three questions of chapter 3 of your ncert class 7 history book, and the name of the chapter is the Delhi Sultans. Yes, we have already solved the first 8 questions of this exercise. The first 4 question in the first video, and the next 4, that is question 5 to 8, in another video, that is the second video on this chapter. And now this is the third video on this chapter, that is the chapter 3, the Delhi Sultans of your ncert class 7 history book. And now this is the time to answer the last 3 questions. You can see these questions on the screen, question 9, 10 and 11, and I will write the answer of each of these questions, and you have to carefully note down in your notebook, and you have to see these videos frequently so that you cover all these chapters, all these questions very in a very satisfactory manner, and you prepare and you get prepared for your exam very effectively. Now you can see the ninth question of this exercise on the screen. Do you think the authors of Tawariq would provide information about the lives of ordinary men and women? And what's your opinion? You have to share in the context of the chapter, and I'm going to write the answer of this question. But before that, there is a little request to all of you. If you are new on the channel and have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all such useful videos, and you get benefit from these. Now let's start writing the answer of this question. Question number 9, I have read the question. Now the Tawarikh, the authors of Tawarikh, if you write like this, the authors of Tawarikh, then it will be better. The authors of Tawarikh did not provide information about ordinary people. Did not provide information about ordinary men and women. Okay, and this was because they wrote in expectation of rewards by the sultan. Yes, the authors of Tawarikh did not provide information about ordinary men and women. And why? This was because they wrote in expectation of rewards by the sultan. Yes, the question was, did the authors of Tawarikh would provide information about the lives of ordinary men and women? Then it is clearly written in the first sentence, no, the authors of Tawarikh did not provide any information about the lives of ordinary men and women. Why? Because they wrote these Tawarikh in expectation of rewards by the sultan, so they wrote about sultan only. Now the next question, question number 10, you can see on the screen. Razia Sultan was unique in the history of the Delhi Sultanate. Do you think women leaders are accepted more readily today? Then the answer of this question I am going to write. You can see carefully. The situation has changed today. The situation has changed today due to the spread of education. People now realize the potential of women women so women so they have started they have started accepting them as leaders. Okay, so they have started accepting them as leaders even in rural areas. We now see women as women serpents and councillors. Women are now there in every sphere that is academics, sports, or politics. Okay, the situation has changed today due to the speed of education. People now realize the potential of women, so they have started accepting them as leaders. Even in rural areas, we now see women serpents and councillors. Women are now there in every sphere, whether that is academics, sports, or politics. So this is the answer of question 10. I think it is very simple and easy to learn, easy to understand. You can note down these answers in your notebook, and now it is the time to answer the last question. Question number 11. Why were the Delhi Sultans interested in cutting down forests? And does deforestation occur for the same reasons today? You have to answer in the context of the chapter. Then I am going to write the answer of this question. See it very carefully. Delhi Sultans were interested in cutting down forest because they wanted to encourage agriculture. Yes, agriculture on the land. Yes. And now the second part of this question: does deforestation occur for the same reasons today? Then you have to write no. No deforestation, and then copy from here the second question, the second part of question 11. No deforestation does not occur for the same reasons today. Then this is the answer. Delhi Sultans were interested in cutting down forests because they wanted to encourage agriculture on the land. No, deforestation does not occur for the same reasons today. Then this is the answer of these were the answers of the last three questions of this chapter 3, the Delhi Sultans. And now we have successfully answered all the questions. Question number 1 to 4 in the first video, question 5 to 8 in the second, and the last three question in this video you are seeing right now. Then that's all in today's video, students. I'll be back in the next video uh, with question answer of chapter 4, the Mughal Empire. So take care of self, note down these answers in your notebook and work hard. You have to score good marks in your exams. That's all. Thank you very much.